In this section we're going to talk about the combustion atmospheric effect. To use this we're going to need a gizmo. So go to your Helpers button, select your atmospheric apparatus, and just grab a cylinder. We're going to draw it over the nozzle of our teapot, and then use the Move tool to move it up to the nozzle. Now, go to the rendering menu, select Environment, click Add under the Atmosphere rollout, and click on Combustion and click OK. You've added a combustion atmospheric effect to your scene. And we're going to have to apply it to a gizmo. So I'm going to pick a gizmo, click on the Select by Name, grab my cylinder gizmo. Now it's applying it to the gizmo. And you can remove it by clicking on the Remove button. So I've got an inner color of orange, an outer color of red, and a smoke color of black. I'm going to use a tendril flame type. I'm going to stretch it a little bit, increase the regularity, leave the flame size, flame detail, density, and samples the same. And you can animate this by changing the phase over time and the drift over time. Or you can set this up as an explosion. If you click this, you can select the start time and the end time of the explosion. But I'm not going to do that. Now that I'm ready, I can close this window, and I can click on my perspective view, and then render. Make sure that you're selecting your perspective view, click the render button, and watch it go. So now I have a cylinder of flame rising up from my teapot. Now this is a very crude example, but you can figure out your own applications for this atmospheric effect. Now remember that this has to be applied to one of your gizmos, the box, cylinder, or sphere.